Breaking news from Washington today. The US Supreme Court just handed Indians in America one of the biggest legal victories in recent memory. Yes, you heard that right. In a landmark 6-3 ruling, the court struck down Trump's executive order to end birthright citizenship. And for nearly 3 lakh Indians on H1B visa whose children were born or will be born in America, this ruling changes everything. So today we want to tell you exactly what happened and what it means for your family. So let me give you the full picture. On day 1 of his second term, January 2025, Trump signed an executive order. The goal was very simple: end automatic birthright citizenship for children born in America to parents on temporary visa. H1B workers, students, visitors, anyone without permanent status. If your parents are not US citizens or green card holders, your child born in America would not automatically be a US citizen. That was the plan. And for Indians who make up the largest share of H1B workers and who face green card backlogs of 50 to 134 years, this was genuinely terrifying. Why? Because many Indian professionals have children born in America long before they ever get their green card. And under Trump's order, those children would have lost their automatic citizenship. So what the Supreme Court said? The Supreme Court, in a case called Trump versus Barbara, ruled 6-3 against Trump's executive order. Chief Justice John Roberts wrote that majority opinion and he was very direct. So he said that children born in the United States to parents unlawfully or temporarily present are subject to the jurisdiction of the United States and are citizens at birth under the 14th Amendment. In simple language, if you are born on American soil, you are American. Roberts also wrote that we keep that promise, the promise made in the Constitution's 14th Amendment 150 years ago. That promise stands today. Joining the majority, Justice Kagan, Sotomayor, Barrett and Jackson. Now let me tell you exactly why this matters so much for Indians specifically. So 3 lakh Indians are currently on H1B visas in America. Many of them have been waiting for green cards for decades now. Some will wait 50 years, some projections say 134 years, and during all the time, they are living in America. They are building careers, building families and having children. Those children born on American soil have now been confirmed by the Supreme Court to be American citizens, fully and completely, without any asterisks. Indian American Congress member Pramila Jayapal said it perfectly today. She wrote, "Our constitution does not have asterisks. It does not have exceptions for who deserve to belong. Birthright citizenship is the law of this land, and today the court reaffirmed it." And also Chintan Patel from Indian American Impact, he said, "Today the Supreme Court looked at those families and said, your children are American, they belong here." So what does this ruling actually mean for you practically? So if you are an Indian on H1B or any temporary visa and you have a child born in America, that child is a US citizen. This ruling confirms that. Trump's executive order is dead. It cannot be implemented. Your child's citizenship is protected by the Constitution itself. And no executive order from any president can take that away without a constitutional amendment. So which would require 2/3 of Congress and 3/4 of states to approve. That is not happening. So your children are safe. Their citizenship is safe, and that safety has now been confirmed by the highest court in the land. So, the Supreme Court just struck down Trump's executive order on birthright citizenship 6-3, a landmark ruling, a massive win for Indians in America. For 3 lakh H1B workers and their families, this is the most important court decision in years. Your children born in America are American. The court said so. The Constitution said so, and today that promise was kept. So, let me know in the comment section what do you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share this video as much as you can.